these are my dried hydrangeas. And they dried a really good lime green color. These are limelight. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just take these dried leaves off, and then I have just a cardboard box. I'm gonna stick them up into paint. Now that's my husband mowing in the background, so I know you can hear that. But I picked out, I've got some blue and kind of a cream and some orange. And I've got one of these neat little handheld sprayers. You clip that onto the top of the can and you can just pull that button and spray, and it makes it so much easier, okay? Oh, and you do want to give them a good shake, you know, make sure there's anything loose falls out before you paint. Okay, that's the first coat, and it's still kind of a light green, so I'll give that another coat in a minute and try another one. I like how that turned out. That's going to be my favorite color, I believe. I only put one coat of the orange. And you know, I think that I may use the orange again for Halloween and maybe paint some black. But there they are. They're just finishing drying. The clear ones, clear. The cream color, the blue, and the orange. Okay, well there it is. I think the colors turned out good. I like the blue and the orange. The cream is still a little bit green, light green, but that's okay. And I added the raffia to the bow, and you can see my coffee beans. It smells good too. All right, well that's it. Now I can repaint those hydrangeas in December, you know, some Christmas colors, or move them out to my mantle on the outside, and I like the way they turned out. Thanks for watching.